Hello student, welcome to our English class. In last video we completed poem 2.1. In so we starting the unit 2. We completed the poem 2.1, the cloth line. This poem cloth line. Now let us start our second lesson from unit 2, the worth of a fabric. The name of our second lesson is the worth of a fabric. Worth means value. The worth of fabric. Fabric means a cloth. Worth of fabric. Here let us start our lesson number 2. Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil Sant poet. Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil Sant poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is a book of his teaching. Thirukural is a book of his teaching. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Student, here the lesson is written by Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil Sant poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is a book of his teaching. The name of his book is Thirukural. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. Textile weaver, cotton, making some spinning. He wore beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. Thiruvalluvar wore beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry. He was very kind man. Thiruvalluvar was a very kind man. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words. He used every time polite words. Never shouted at anyone. Thiruvalluvar never shouted to anyone. Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. He wore beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words and never shouted to anyone. In the same town, in this time, which town Thiruvalluvar was lived, in the same town there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friend. In the same town there lived a rich young man, a young man who lived in same town which was Thiruvalluvar lived in. He wasted most of his time roaming around. Roaming means wandering here and there around with his friends. They often made fun of other people. A rich man, young man and his friends often made fun of other people. I don't believe what people say about this Valluvar. Said young man one day. One day a young man said that, I don't believe that people say about this Valluvar. I am sure I can make him angry. When people told about the young Thiruvalluvar, he never got angry. Words, never shouted to anyone. So young man said that I don't believe what people say about him. I am sure I can make him angry. Rich young man told about the Thiruvalluvar. I am sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So he decided to fun with the Thiruvalluvar today. So the arrogant young man approached. Arrogant means proud. So the arrogant young man approached Thiruvalluvar in the market and picked up beautiful piece of fabrics. One day, what happened? Arrogant young man approached Thiruvalluvar in the market. They meet Thiruvalluvar in the market where Thiruvalluvar sold their saris and fabrics and picked up beautiful piece of fabrics. How much does this whole fabric cost? He asked. A rich young man asked to Thiruvalluvar, how much does this whole fabric cost? What is the cost of this fabric? 8 coins. The saint named the price. Thiruvalluvar said that 8 coins the value of this fabric. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore into two. The young man folded the fabric and tore into two, divided into 2 pieces. What is the price of this piece now? Then rich young man told about the Thiruvalluvar. What is the price of this 2 pieces? 4 coins. First piece, the price of 8 coins. Then 2 pieces, make a 2 pieces, 4 coins, the sant answered politely. The youth was taken aback. Why doesn't the man get angry? He thought. He then tore the half piece into half again. The rich young man. Youth was taken aback. The youth was taken aback, and why doesn't the man get angry? And now 2 coins was the answer. Again and again he tore the pieces. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. Agitated means upset. He tore the pieces into half again and again, saying, and how, what's the price now? Again and again he tore the piece again and again, saying, and what's the price now? Thiruvalluvar calmly, calm means silent. Thiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the piece to half every time. At last the fabrics was reduced to rags. So Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, at last fabrics was reduced a rags, a piece, small piece of cloth. Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone. Quiet means silently tone, silently sound. Now this fabric has become worthless. I will not name any price for this rags. In last moment, the fabrics remains a small piece. Now this fabrics has become worthless, useless. I will not name any price for this rags. So Thiruvalluvar, a son poet, said that I will not name any price for these rags. The young man did not know what to say. Then next what happened? The young man did not know what to say. But he was proud of his riches. He was very proudy rich young man, arrogant rich young man. So he offered to pay. He offered 8 coins to the son for the first time. When first time he asked to son, Thiruvalluvar told that 8 coins. So he offered the 8 coins to son. For the first time Thiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. Thiruvalluvar smiled and refused the money. Young man, now this fabrics is of no use. Young man, he politely told to young man, now this fabric is no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. Remain only small piece of cloth. So young man, now this fabrics is of no use. It has become worthless, useless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. Student, here we explain the first part of the lesson. Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil sant who lived in more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is a book of his teaching. Then next part is a rich young man who arrogantly told about the Thiruvalluvar. Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now.